So, before we get into the video, I want to say sorry that I uploaded this a little late. I'm just trying to upload all the videos, so this video might be late. I'm gonna upload another video that I did today on Tuesday, June 9th. This video was a while back, so I just edited this video just to let you guys know. So anyway, let's get into the video.
Good humor, they say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but
Hi guys, it's Catherine and welcome back to Catherine's Gaming Channel. Okay, so today I am joined with my friend Anna. We are on FaceTime, so if you guys hear something that is her, I do have a challenge for her, and inside the chest is all the stuff that she needs to do is to build a type of a house or a mansion or anything using all of these I picked. And let me just do something quick, turn her into upgrader so she could do what she wants. Okay, so I'm gonna teleport her. Anna, you want to say something? Say hi. Or
hi.
anything. Okay, so that is her. We are on FaceTime. So I'm gonna teleport you, okay? Wait. Teleport. Okay, so Anna, in this chest, you have to use whatever in here to build a house, mansion, or anything you want. But you only have to use the stuff that's only in this chest. And you want to add more, you have to type in the chat, add more items.
Alright.
Okay? But if you type in the chat saying add more items, it only works only for 10 times. That means you only have 10 chance to type in the chat, add more items.
Okay.
That's a challenge. And get out of here, pig. Get out of the video. Oh, I just killed
Happy
it.
Max edited the character appearance.
Wait, what? I'm confused. Oh, okay. Alright, are you ready?
Yeah.
Get set, go.
Wait, what do I do?
So go to the chest, open up the chest,
Okay.
look at the items, and then you go into your inventory and then grab the items.
Oh, okay.
So like, first open the chest, explore it, and then see what's in it.
Alright, I see.
Okay.
Mhm.
And if you want, you can add like a pawn or horse jam or however you want it. That's just extra.
Alright, you got it. Alright, that's good. Now,
Okay. Huh?
do we start?
Yeah, you started already. Go.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. I forgot to tell you that. Like, okay. Oh, hi sheep. Oh my god, there's a baby sheep here. Hi. This is like kind of creepy. Like the chest like kind of open. Oh my gosh, she's just standing in the middle of the chest while it's open. It's kind of creepy though, but it's like funny. Oh look, I'm standing inside the chest.
Wait.
Oh, it just closed on me!
Alright, that should be good. Thanks. I'll build right up here.
Where? Oh, okay. So basically you can build anywhere you want. This is like a really nice flat land. So, yeah. Oof!
Alright.
I tried staying on a tree. Okay, wait, there we go. Also, you guys see the username in the chat or anywhere else. Please do not add her or me. I do not want to add all my fans yet. So yeah. Wait, let me set the time to
Set the
Oh wait, oh you know what? Let me set the time to always day.
day-night cycle lock.
There we go. Okay, okay. You guys see, Anna is really good at building, so let's see how this turns out like. I'm curious. Comment down below if you guys think. Comment down below if you guys are curious too. Because I'm kind of pretty curious. Ooh, this looked like from far away. Wait, hold on. From far away, this looked like a shelf.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Cool, huh?
Yeah. I'm walking on this. I'm gonna fall off. Oh. Okay, okay. This is interesting. Are you building the roof out of bookshelf?
No, hang on.
It kind of looks like it, but it's also kind of cool though. Okay, so you guys, I am trying to get every angle of this place. Just, you know. A daylight cycle saving. Oh wait, how much percent do I have? Hold on. 17, okay. I have 17%, you guys. Ooh, this is looking good. Okay, okay. This almost looks like she's using it as a roof, though, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Now you could build anything. You could build a house, even a barn, or anything you want. It doesn't have to just be a house. You can add more to it, like a bedroom or stuff like that. But this is pretty cool. I found a giant hole, you guys. I'm just joking. Okay, let me just show you guys what's the item she has to use. So she basically had to use all of this stuff in here. I don't know why I still have that meat. But she has to use a oak fence, I don't know what you call that, but okay. And then, oops, what happened? Okay, wait, let me put this back in. She has to use a dark oak with stairs, smooth quarter block, basically like all of these stuff. I won't go through them because I don't want to mix them up. Okay, that's kind of creepy. Okay, that's like kind of creepy. Let's see, should I add some more items in? Oh wait, I forgot to add these. I just noticed that, I just forgot to add those. Okay, hi pig again. I think I might add something in there. Oh, okay, I think I know what I'm gonna add. I'm gonna add a little more to it. Okay, here we go. I did that. And it needs vines. Some coral. She has to do something with that. I'm just basically adding random stuff in here. And then, yeah. Okay.
Alrighty, I think I'm almost done.
I just add a little more to it inside the chest. So yeah, there's something a little more fun to it. But this is looking pretty good. Interesting. Ooh, this big window shade right here looks really nice. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I did post a video earlier today. I gave you guys a little house tour of my world last night, or no, not last night, like 2 days ago, like yeah, last night or something. I don't know, you guys. I wouldn't say like last night though, but yes, I did give you guys a tour last night. I decided to post it today instead of 2 days later. So yeah, I do have that edit. I still have to edit this video, so by the time you guys see this, it's probably like later on in the day, or probably at night, or it's probably gonna be tomorrow. I'm not so sure. Yeah, depending on how long this video takes. I might post it in the next 3 days, in the next 2 days, or I don't know when. But yeah, oh, this is pretty good. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, it's looking good. Ooh, wow. Guys, comment down below if you guys know what this kind of looks like. I think this is a library. Is it a library?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I guessed it. Wow.
Yeah. What else could we add? Some decorations.
Oh, let me see if the chest has lights. I need to check if the chest has lights. Okay, good. So the chest does have lights. Okay. What's that buzzing noise? Oh, it's my mom's phone. Okay, sorry about the buzzing noise. It's just my mom's phone. Ooh, pretty roses. Smelling the roses, you guys. Smell so nice. Ooh. Oh, I thought I could climb these. I forgot I don't know how to climb. I don't know how to climb in Minecraft. This looks so good. Like, wow. Okay, wait. I don't know if I could jump though. Let's see if I can do a parkour. Oh, yeah! That was actually pretty good. Oh, that was actually kind of pretty good. Okay, let's see if I can do it right here though. Oh no, I can't do it from here, but I can do it from here though. Oh, okay, this looks so good. Wow. Okay, guys, so she's built a really cool library. This is pretty cool. Wow. I'm surprised. Ooh. You guys, comment down below because that thing that painting looks like. It kind of reminds me of something. A ladder. Let's grab a book. Ooh, it fell off. Like really good, you guys. Now comment down below if you guys want more Minecraft videos, Fortnite videos, or Roblox, because those are only the thing that I have as a game. So yeah.
Alrighty, I'm almost done.
Wow, I cannot believe it. Okay, this is looking good. This looks really good. Now, is this the only place you're gonna build, or you're gonna build like a house or something else different, a little different?
Hang on. I think I'll leave it here.
Okay. So you're done?
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, guys. So this is it. This is the library. I'm assuming it's the library, right? Okay, so this is the library, guys, that she built out of all the stuff in the item. Now she doesn't have to use all of it. It's fine. But yeah, okay, so that's the outside of it. Let's go inside. I just slammed the door on her. I am so sorry. Okay, so here you have a good, nice little view. This is the library. This is inside. We got some chairs, crafting table, some area where you can sit and read your books. Quiet in the library. We got some chests here that does not open. We got a crafting table that is built into the bookshelf. That's pretty cool. We got a ladder. Whee! And we got a little area so you can place your book in case you don't want to sit. You can stand and read a book. We got a chest. Little barrel right here. Barrel. I mean, I call this thing a barrel. I mean, the oak fence. We got a barrel here. This is a barrel.
Yes.
I call the oak fence a barrel. I'm so funny. We got a chest. And yeah, that's basically it. Oh, we also got a painting, a clock, and a flower that's really nice. I think she got that out from the garden, but it's fine. We got some lights, hanging lights, or aka lanterns. And yeah, that's basically it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below, you guys want more challenge like these. Or comment down below any challenge you guys want from me. And yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye!